it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a wolf head, alright? We have a couple of on here, but let's get started, alrighty? It's going to be easy and for beginners, so let's walk you through this, alright? Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down. And what that's going to, it's kind of at an angle. What that's going to indicate is a little bit of the brow. Pulling up over here, up. Alrighty. I'm going to go from here and I'm going to go outward over here. I'm going to pull outward, but in a little bit of a curve. Very slight curve. Not, it could be a straight line, either one. Right there. Okay. I'm going to go around this area and I'm going to draw in one of the eyes. By the way, don't forget this is a short lesson, okay? So stick around for the whole thing. What I want you to do is I want you to have fun doing this. I'm going to go up. In, and we're going to connect these lines right there. It's going to indicate the eye, right? So this eye shape is cool, but we're going to draw into that. All right. Curve right here. Curve on here. Let's put a dot right there. And then we're going to kind of fill in the outside there with a little bit with the dark area right there. Kind of making it like the pit of the eye, right? Like I said, if you really want to learn like the coolest wolf, stick around for the whole thing. I really kind of like the designs of the wolves that I'm doing. Gonna go over here, down. Okay, we're gonna go down about yay, not too far. We're gonna pull up just a bit. Right there, it says up just a tad. Pull it back down right there. And from here, I'm going to pull back this direction. Back over here. Curve underneath. Right there. About a little ball at the end right there. Because, you know, have you seen like a dog or a wolf's mouth? You know, they kind of have like this little, I don't know, dangling part right there. Where their mouth ends. Like the loose skin area. Let's go to the nose over here. And I'm going to start about yay. And I'm going to pull out to the side. I'm not going to make it as thick, though, like the line. Curve down over here. Pulling up. Down over here. Cool, cool, cool. So far, you're doing great. Hopefully you're doing good. Don't forget to hit the like on the video. Definitely helps the channel out if you enjoy this kind of slow, methodical way of drawing. Absolutely hit the like. Helps out a lot. Alright, going to go over here now to the mouth. Out right here. Kind of for that lower part of the mouth. Line over here, front of the chin. Going to pull straight back. Whoopsie-daisy. Right there. And it's going to flare out into that area right here. It's going to flare out into the kind of, you know, that kind of ruffles in the side of the mouth. Yeah, that cute kind of ruffle area. So before we do that, though, let's go all the way to the top. We're almost done, by the way, so, you know, stay to the end. Curve right here. It's going to be kind of the side of the wall there. We're going to add the ear right there. And it's going to make a lot more sense in a minute. So now we're going to go to the ear, and it's going to go up like a flame. So right here, I'm going to pull it up, down. And then I'm going to pull up a long way now. Up right there. Down over here. Pull in. Okay. Going to go find the rest of the top of the head from here point. So like from this point, I'm going to go zigzag. Another zigzag. Pulling air for the top of the head. All right, now I'm going to find the back ear over there. So over here, I'm going to pull up, zigzag just a bit for the fuzz, the bottom of the ear. Up, down, and zigzag a little bit on the way down, you know. Let's make more sense of this ear, okay? I'm going to go over here from that point down, in. Over here on the inside. Zigzag on the inside of that ear. There's fuzz on the inside of that ear. Same thing for the back. And we're going to pull a line down over here. Line over here. All right. And now we need to give him a pretty big neck to kind of frame the face so far. Don't forget to check out all the free stuff in the description. I put a lot of free like playlists right there that you can learn from very slowly. Or go check out the free cute drawing ebook. That's incredibly valuable if you like learning how to draw cute stuff. But, you know, just really quick, all that stuff is really valuable and it's going to add to your artist journey. Pulling back, down, back over here, down, curve. It's going to go a little bit out the page. Let's go over here on this, right here into the neck. Line in, down, up, line over here, down over here on that side, and kind of pulling it backward. It's going a little bit off the page. Kind of like this, almost like a mane going on, right? Let's draw the outside of his face. We're going to frame that. Down, curve, in, line over here, in, right there. Stay there. Looks like we're done, but we're not done, okay? We want to put in the kind of color changes in his face. That's going to make it more believable, right, as a wolf. So first off, put some dots over here. Right on. Going to go at this point to the top of his nose here. Right there, we're drawing a thin line. That's going to be the actual kind of pattern on the wolf. Line, zigzag like that. And then we're going to go back, zigzag out, down, line over here, over here on this side of his face, and we're pulling thin lines to just kind of show color change. Over here at the top now, a little bit left, like so. And lastly, we want to actually draw a little bit on the bottom of, we'll put a shadow here under the neck so that it makes it more, I don't know, just kind of frames the head a little bit, gives more direction, clarity to the person viewing it. I'm just going to fill it in with a marker here. Don't forget, by the way, just get something close enough. It doesn't have to be exact. If you want another angle of a wolf or anything like that, please request it and I will totally do it. You just have to let me know. Line over here in the fur, just a little bit, not too much. Right there. And draw maybe a thick line back here to kind of also do that kind of believability there in the wolf. So that's pretty much it. I want to thank you for watching. Stick around for the next lesson, okay? Let's start the next lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.